What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have a price update on Nucypher, which has pumped up over 60% in the last 24 hours and is currently trading at 22 cents. So we're going to be going through its prediction and its stakes over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2023. How high can this crypto go? Can it potentially hit the dollar mark by the end of the year or even way before that? And covering both buyers and sellers point of view, looking at, is it time to buy it? Is it too late? Or should you sell it if you're on a profit right now? Or is it just time to hold on to it for the long term before it pumps up even higher? So we're going to cover both buyers and sellers point of view and looking at what is the best thing to do right now for this crypto. But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I'll be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So as you can see, we are currently on the Coinbase website. The market is up just about 0.2% in the last 24 hours, and we've got Nucypher as the second top gainer in the last 24 hours, gaining over 60%. Over the last hour itself, gained 6% in value, over the week 55%, and over the month a massive 140%. We can see a major peak in value here about 10 days ago on 15th of January, going from about 10 cents all the way up to 17 cents. Took a little dip and right now has gone all the way up to 22 cents, meaning it's performing quite well and much better than expected. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has also gone up by a massive 4,800%, guys, which is a major increase, and its current trading volume is $353 million in trading. So a huge amount of money is currently being traded. We're going to be seeing a lot of buyers and a lot of sellers taking out their profits and potentially reinvesting into Nucypher when it drops back down in value. But the whole point is that it is getting a lot of attention by a lot of people. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'll be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis, but for now I'm just going to hide this and I'm going to bring up the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Nucypher, which at the moment is here in purple at 12 cents. However, it is trading at nearly double its value here in green at 22 cents, meaning it's performing quite well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, as usual, just a little disclaimer: this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, as usual, we've got the blue and the orange line looking very steep, heading towards the positive direction, looking very bullish. However, this is not realistic, only because it's looking quite steep. And again, the only reason why it's very steep is because of the major increase that's taken place over the last couple of hours. The graph thinks, you know what, this crypto is going to keep pumping, it's going to keep going up in value, and it wasn't even a minimal increase, it was a major increase in value. So yeah, what I am expecting is for the crypto to drop back down in value over the next 12 to 14 hours, potentially below the 20 cents target is where I'm expecting Nucypher to be trading at towards the end of the day today and early hours of tomorrow. However, in between that time, it is likely we are going to see a pump up in value as well. We are going to see green candles potentially pumping up to about 24 to 25 cents as well, and then it's likely to start dropping back down towards the end of the day towards the 20 cents target. Now moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, what can we expect here? The blue and the orange line are still looking bullish, heading towards a positive direction. Again, they're looking too steep, which means once again it is not realistic. Even though yes, over the coming days I'm expecting a minimal increase in value, I'm not expecting any major pumps or major bull runs. Yeah, definitely not like what we can see here. In between that time though, over the next couple of days, I'm expecting the crypto to take a little dip, drop back down in value to around the 18 to 19 cents target before it starts to pump back up to around, let's have a look, around 24 to 25 cents is what I'm expecting towards the end of this week and early next week. Again, it's not going to be a major increase in value. It's going to be very minimal, guys, so don't expect any huge pumps or bull runs at the moment, but I am expecting a little drop, red candles, before it starts coming back up in value towards the end of this week and early next week as well. Now, moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we see here? As you can see, we still got the blue and the orange line looking quite bullish, heading towards a positive direction. However, it is not looking too steep, guys. It is just about slanting towards a positive direction, meaning once again an overall increase in value is expected over the coming weeks. So here I'm talking about mid-March to late March. We should be seeing Nucypher trading around the 35 to 40 cents target, depending on, of course, on how the crypto market performs, market conditions. So for example, if there's a major crypto crash or a major crypto bull run, a price bump, these things will have a major impact, not just on the value of Nucypher, but the whole crypto market in general. And anything like that which I can predict, I will obviously make sure to keep you guys updated as much as I can and as soon as I can on my Instagram page and on my YouTube channel as well. So make sure you stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. But yeah, so far over the long term, it is looking quite good for Nucypher. Hopefully we can stay on the green side. And as you can see, since the start of the year, we've been more or less pumping quite a bit. Yes, we've taken a few red days here and there in between, but again, as I mentioned, that is absolutely normal. It's part of the process, as long as overall we are moving towards a positive direction, and which we have been and hopefully will be doing over the coming weeks and months as well. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale. And as you can see, guys, we are still trading in the red zone. We've got quite a bit to go for us to hit the resistance target here to head into the green zone, which is 75 cents. And hopefully we should be able to hit this target or hit the resistance target here to head into the green line by mid-year, and potentially in the second half of the year we should be trading in the green zone if the market manages to keep up and keep towards the green side rather than the red side. And as you guys can see, Bitcoin has finally managed to hit just about $23,000 after a good couple of months, which is absolutely insane. So far 2023 has been bullish when it comes to crypto and stocks as well, but hopefully we can maintain that as well for the rest of the year. But yeah, these are my takes and my predictions on Nucypher, guys. What I want you guys to do now in the comment section down below, comment down below what is the highest figure Nucypher can hit in 2023. Let me know in the comment section down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. Personally, guys, we should easily be able to hit the $1 mark towards Q4 of 2023. We should be able to hit the $1 mark and potentially a little bit higher than that towards the very end of the year. But again, these are my takes as of right now. But yeah, I'm not going to keep you guys here for any longer. A massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. So please, guys, make sure to hit that subscribe button, as it's free to do so. And I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today. Until then, take care and peace.